sets. Let us now assign our resource. Alright, let's now assign our resource. So we're going to come here and click assign resource. Now this particular offsite is going to use our project supervisor and project manager, site supervisor and project manager. So assign our site supervisor. So assign our site supervisor and project manager. Now, but for the project manager, we're going to do 50% because it's not fully, it doesn't work fully. All right. So now looking at the project initiation and site inspection, we've set up our resource. We assign our resource, that is the site supervisor and a project manager. Now, why 50% for the project manager is because he doesn't come to site every day. Unlike our site supervisor, is always at site. Do you understand? So this guy, we're going to work, instead of working full day, he's going to work half day, and while this one works full day. Okay, that's about this guy. Now let us now assign our different resource. So now ops manager. All right, so now we've set up we've assigned the different tasks to the individual responsible for them. Do you understand? And now we're done with this part.